Welcome back, traders. I just want to show you guys the set of I cut yesterday. It's all about like you understanding the market structure and then you taking advantage of the market. So right here, there is 4-hour time frame, and then let's start from daily time frame. The analysis was actually right here, and then I'm going to show you guys on my chart. Price was going all the way bearish throughout yesterday, and then on 4-hour time frame, I saw an opportunity just like to buy the market. It was just like a very short time buy. So price ended up taking out this particular low. In daily price ended up taking out this low right here. I was anticipating for what? A bullish candle. The reason why I'm anticipating for a bullish candle is like it is difficult for price to break two levels in the market at the same time. So once price end up breaking one level, price is going to react and then create for breaking the next level. So price end up breaking this particular low. I know that the next 4-hour time frame candle is going to be what? A bullish candle. So I'm waiting for the reaction, and then at the same time wait for market to give me my trade strategy or my trade strategy to play out before I can enter it in the market. So price end up breaking this particular low, and then I was expecting price to take out this particular next low right here. At the same time, I'm not expecting it. I'm just expecting price to take out this particular low and then start go out on a bullish direction to take out this particular high. But price end up taking out only this particular low. Then I have like to find opportunity just like to enter into the market, of which I did. So if you have to like to study inside this particular range, okay, from this particular high to this particular low, okay, so I move it down all the way to like 3-hour time frame. But there's something I did not explain. Let me explain it so that you guys can understand. Every single time you see that price end up breaking a level in the market, it can be anticipated for the next time frame candle to be what? The opposite candle before price end up taking out the next low. Because you have two lows right here. Price end up taking out only one. Then the next candle have to be what? A bullish candle before price end up taking out the next one. You understand? But at the same time, you have to follow what's your trading strategy. You don't have to like to go against your trade strategy. So price ended up breaking this particular low right here. I was anticipating for what? A bullish trade. Just for the next 4-hour time frame. That is what I'm anticipating for. So and then at the same time, I'm expecting price to take out this particular high as what? A liquidity. So you have to study inside this particular range, just like to look at what the power of the first time frame, just like to get into the market. So on 3-hour time frame right now, the candle remain the same. On 2-hour time frame, the candle remain the same. On a 1-hour time frame, the movements, all this candle are what? A bearish candle. I'm just looking for what? A bullish candle in between so I can trade the market with. So on 45 minutes, same. 30 minutes, same. Then 20 minutes, same. And then okay, on 20 minutes right now, we have what? An opposite candle right here, so we can reduce what? Our range, and then start from this particular area right here. So on 15 minutes also is the same thing as our 30 minutes. And then on 10 minutes time frame, so this is where we have what? Our first opposite candle right here, which is on 10 minutes. But in between this particular 10 minutes, I got an entry just like study inside this particular area. Then looking for what? Opportunity just like to buy the trade. Then on 5 minutes time frame, I'm going to show you guys on my chart that I really enter into the market so that you guys can see it. Okay. So on 5 minutes time frame, price end up breaking this particular high. Of the eye I use. Price end up breaking this particular eye right here. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this candle very well. This is my drawing. Let me increase the opacity. Okay. So price end up breaking this particular eye right here. Negative price end up breaking it. I was anticipating for price to take out this particular low as what? A liquidity, and then respect the order block below it. And then this is what the order block below it. And then this is what? 5 minutes time frame. So this is the order block I make use of, and the price tap into my order block and the start go on a bullish direction. Even though this is the first 100% movement, this is not actually an 100% movement because I use power of the first time frame. You understand? So using the power of the first time frame, I also make use of the 100% movement of this particular area right here. Let me delete this. So this was where I was anticipating for price to get to. Can you see on 4-hour time frame? And then our price end up going above this particular high. Then I was like, okay, let me just hold on the market because I did set take profit right here. But I let the market around there. I'm going to show you guys. This was where I was expecting price to get to before we were on a period direction. So when price gets to this particular area, price end up taking out this particular high. This high right here, okay? So immediately price end up taking out this high. I was at space for what? Price to react. Price did that, and then after that, price started doing what? On a bullish direction, and the price end up taking out this particular liquidity right here. This liquidity. So negative price end up taking out this liquidity. I was not expecting for price to come all the way down anymore again. I was expecting for price to start doing what's on a bullish direction because price has end up taking out a liquidity in the market. So immediately price end up taking out the liquidity. I was like, okay, price now go what's on a bullish direction to get more towards my take profit. Of which price not do that. Price came all the way down again the second time. So when price came all the way down the second time, just because I understand the market structure, then I understand that market is about to change direction and then start to go what on a bullish direction. On a bearish direction, I made my bad. And then forward time frame that I was expecting for price to end up as what a bullish candle, it has already end up as what a bullish candle. So I have to leave the market. So I think I closed the market right here around there when price go below this particular low. So I closed the market because I know that price going to like I'm going to show you guys right now on my chart. So I closed the market around the when price end up being below this particular low because I know that price doing what on the gate direction. And then I wanted to sell the market also right here. I wanted to make use of this particular order block. Okay, because price end up taking out this particular low, and the price came all the way down, just like simple way on how to identify the order block. You're going to make use of what this particular order block just like to sell the market, of which I set my entry right here, but price not pick my trade, and then I made this particular bearish trade. But let's the market right here for the buy trade. So let me just show you guys my chart right now. All right, so this is my chart right here. Let me all my trade history. Okay. So on the you can see this is where I enter into the market right here. Can you see this is where I enter into the market right here? And then price end up taking out this particular high, price end up taking out this high. So price not going to respect this particular low because it's this other block right here because it end up breaking only one high. So price going to respect the other block below it. And then this is the other block, and then this is the other block I made use of. So price end up picking my trade and then start go on in bullish direction. Even though I was expecting price to take out this particular high, this high right here, this forward time frame high, of which price did not do that. And then when price was going what on a bullish direction, I was just expecting price to react right here. Only this particular area because price ended up taking out this particular high, this high right here. So I was expecting price to react. I think the high was on 10 minutes time frame. Let me show you guys on 10 minutes time frame. Okay. So the high was on 10 minutes time frame. So price ended up taking out this particular high. So I was expecting price to react right here. So after that, price ended up being down. Let me show you guys something. So price ended up taking out this particular low. Price ended up taking out this particular low as what? A liquidity. Can you see price ended up taking out this particular low as what? Liquidity. Immediately price ended up doing that. I was expecting price to continue go up on a bullish direction, and the price did not do that. Price came all the way down again. That's the reason why I closed the market, because price has already changed direction, that is going what on a bearish direction. So I was expecting for price to take out this particular high right here. Let me go to a 5 minutes time frame so you guys can understand much better. Okay, so I was expecting for price to take out this particular high so I can sell the market, but price did not do that. This high. So I was expecting for price to take out this particular high so I can sell the market using this particular order block, but price did not do that, even though price ended up changing direction. So I made this particular sell trade right here. But it's okay just for me closing the market right here because price end up changing direction. So that's just for that. So let's go back to my chart right now. So that's just for that. So one thing you have to understand, you're like, it's difficult for price to break two levels in the market. And then once price end up taking out a liquidity, price is going to react, and then before taking out the next liquidity. So let me go back to like a forward time frame where the whole analysis start from. So if you check on forward time frame right here, I said this is what the liquidity right here. This is the liquidity right here, and then price end up taking it out. Let me show you guys something that happened on 5-hour time frame, because we also like to check the previous time frame before concluding on that particular time frame. On 5-hour time frame right here, you can see that price end up taking out this particular liquidity. Price end up taking out this particular liquidity. Can you see? And then before price can take out the next one, this next one, you have to have what an opposite candle. A whole 5-hour time frame have to end up as what a bullish candle. Because it is difficult for price to break two levels in the market. That is the reason why every single time price end up breaking two levels in the market, I call the order block a real order block. Because it is difficult for price to break two levels in the market at the same time. So on 5-hour time frame right now, price end up taking out this particular low. And then immediately after that, let me delete this. Immediately after that, price retrace right here. We have to have what a 5-hour time frame candle to end up as what an opposite candle, which is what a bullish candle in this particular trade right here, before price can break the next low, of which price end up doing that. Okay, you see price end up taking out this particular low. Then for the next moment, before price can break this one, a 5-hour time frame candle have to end up as what a bullish candle. Let's check 6-hour time frame. Let's hold up on 6-hour time frame. So on 6-hour time frame, you don't have any liquidity right here. You don't have any liquidity right here, so you're not even expecting anything. But the analysis started from 5-hour time frame. 5-hour time frame. Okay, this 5-hour time frame right now, and then after that, price end up giving what a bullish candle. And then on 4-hour time frame, I was able to say, okay, this is what price is about to do. That's the reason why I make it a what 4-hour time frame. Can you see? It's all about you understanding your market structure and then you understand what price is actually doing. Let me show you something also right here. Okay, so you can see that price end up taking out this particular low right here. So if naked price end up taking out this low, before price can break the next low, price out to react. It's not even possible for price to give 100% movement or price out to react, you understand? Sometimes you have to like secure your markets, you understand? You have to secure your trade. That's what I did right here. I secure my trade just by leaving the market. Because not every single time that price is going to do what exactly you want it to do, but you have to understand the market to know where to leave and the way to hold the trade, you understand? So that's just for that. So please like this video right now if you're watching for the first time, and then if you want me to create more video about this, understanding the market structure and then taking advantage of the market, comment down in the comment section that I should create more video about understanding the market structure, because there are lots of structure you have to understand in the market if you want to really be profitable as a trader. And then every single thing come actually from you learning and then you spending time on chart. Once you spend time on your chart and then you learn by yourself, they're going to understand a lot of things. Actually, the strategy I'm using right now, I discovered it myself. That's the reason why I can teach it on my YouTube page, and then no other YouTuber creating the same content I'm creating on YouTube. So please follow me for more and then subscribe to this particular channel. Like this video right now, I really appreciate that. If you want me to be creating more videos, it's not really that easy for me to be creating more videos. That's why you're not seeing my video, but like this video right now, just like to encourage me to create more videos on this page. So that's just for that. So right now price is going okay, let me just leave that. All right. So if you guys want to join my mentorship program, because I see a lot of people send me message that they want to join my mentorship program, but I was very busy throughout last month. I wasn't able to take any training. If you're interested in joining my mentorship, just like one-on-one training, that's the best. I think that if you understand the market structure much better, you can join my mentorship right now. I think I will be free this week, this month, and then I'm only taking 5 people. I don't take more than 5 people because of my time. I don't really have much time. So you can join my mentorship program right now and they just like to learn. So that's just for that. See you in my next video.